Xiaomi 13 Pro has been officially released. Xiaomi 13 Pro Review Part 2 Camera Test. The smartphone is fueled by a non-removable LiPo 4820 mAh battery plus 120W wired plus 50W wireless plus 10W reverse wireless. The phone runs on Android 13 plus MIUI 14 operating system. The smartphone is powered by the Qualcomm SN8550 Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 octa-core processor while the GPU is Adreno 740. The device comes in 6.73 inches size and the display is LTPO OLED that provides 1440 x 3200 pixels resolution. It is packed with 8 GB, 12 GB RAM and 128 GB. 256 GB, 512 GB internal storage. The rear camera features a triple camera, 50.3 MP wide plus 50 MP telephoto plus 50 MP ultrawide, while on the front there is a single camera, 32 MP wide. The device is equipped with sensors such as under-display, optical fingerprint, accelerometer, proximity, gyro, compass, barometer, and color spectrum. Xiaomi 13 Pro is available in various colors including ceramic white, ceramic black, ceramic flora green.